kettle thing. So yeah, what I'll do is go home, take the handle off, and that'll be clean aluminium, or it could be stainless steel. I'll just check when I get home. So yeah. What's this? Lamp. Don't know what that is, but I'm not going to take it. I'm only taking a while. Quickly grab this. I'm going to see what's over here. I'm going to turn off the camera. And if I find something, I'll turn it back on. So yeah, see you in a sec. Oh yes. So I'm going to scrap out a wall here, just so I don't go as far. Yeah, the reason why I collect these are because some of the motors or windings in there can be copper. So yeah. Plus they're easy to scrap out if you have the drills and everything. Just pull that. Grab the wire cutters, cut there. That goes into my bag. I have a big bag because sometimes you might find more than one. So yeah. Oh no, okay, that's still fine. Zip it up. That's all done. This. Cover a little bit off. That small little bit. It adds up. That goes there. If you do want to take the steel, take the steel. But yeah, I don't. So yeah, see you next location. Right, there's something here. A heater with a good plug on it, which I'm taking. Good plug, I mean, is this one where you can take it all apart. So yeah, because it's got like brass and copper on it. So I just take that, cut it. I don't bother with a fan because there's more plastic than metal. So yeah, and that's it. So yeah, one wire, but it's better, and one good plug. But that's better than nothing. So see you in the next location of the next day. So see ya. Looks like a fan there, but let me check here. Okay, we'll check this. That's open. Brand new. I'm taking this because I need a fan for my bedroom. Yeah. The fan one looks brand new. Take time, see if it works. If it don't work, I'll scrap it out. It's not a big deal. So yeah, taking this. This is a score. Next location. Right, there's something here. Looks like a Hoover pole. And I think this might be stainless steel. The best way to check is use a magnet, does not stick. Then when I get home, I'll use the grinder. If it sparks, it's stainless steel. So yeah, I always take stainless steel as well. Don't know the price of it, but I always take it. So yeah, anything what does not stick to a magnet, take it, pile it up. If you're not too sure, scrap it out, I would say. But yeah, so stainless pole. or pipe. Another good thing to do. See you on the next location. Okay, what's that? Okay, some wire. Bike wheel, I'm going to take that because that's aluminium. And that looks like it. Yeah. Cut this off. Going to keep those on for now. I mean the plugs, so I'll take them off when I can. Some Hoover stuff there, but yeah, don't need them. And that's it. Take this. I'll process this on maybe at the end of this video. Or when yeah, aluminium wire. Good. The spokes and everything is steel, but that doesn't matter. So yeah, I'll do a video on that later. Or if you don't see it, then yeah. But yeah, hopefully see you on the next location. That's it, just some wire. Okay, here's a scooter. You see it is aluminium. Okay, that's aluminium. Steel. That's still there. Still there. Still there. So just the base is aluminium. I'll take the whole thing and process it. So I get clean aluminium. But still, I'll save up. I'm taking scrap out. At least it gets recycled. So aluminium. See you on the next location. See ya.